Hi students, I just want to show you how that we can share our web camera in Big Blue Button. So you need to click on this camera and you're going to start sharing, and you can choose a different background. So if you choose white, it's going to be the X here is going to be your room, but you might want to choose a different room. So for example, I want to look like I'm at the office. I click that button, start sharing, and you can see that I look like I am at the office up here. Okay, and then if I want to change my background, I click the camera, webcam, and I click it again to start sharing, and then I can click the cafe, maybe start sharing. So that is how you can share your webcam. So I hope you will join me in the cafe today in class.